Long ago, in a time of knights and kings, a hero rose for Islam. His name was Salahuddin Ayyubi. He fought to free Jerusalem, united Muslims, and showed the world the mercy of Islam. Let's learn his story. Salahuddin was born in 1137 CE in Tikrit, modern-day Iraq. His father, Najmuddin, taught him to love Islam and justice. As a boy, he memorized the Quran and learned from great scholars. He also trained in sword fighting and horse riding, but his biggest teacher was Nuruddin Zengi, a brave Muslim king. Nuruddin taught him, "Rule with fairness and Allah will help you." When Salahuddin became ruler of Egypt, he didn't just collect taxes or build palaces, he built hospitals, schools, and mosques. He called all Muslims, Arabs, Kurds, Turks to unite. He said, "If we fight each other, the enemy will win. Together, we are strong." Soon, Muslims from Syria, Yemen, and Iraq joined his army. For 88 years, the Crusaders ruled Jerusalem. They hurt Muslims, burned villages, and stopped them from praying. One old man told Salahuddin, "I carried my son's body because Crusaders killed him. Please save us." Salahuddin cried and promised, "I will free Jerusalem or die trying." In July 1187, Salahuddin trapped the Crusaders near a volcano called Hattin. It was boiling hot. He ordered Muslims to block all water. The Crusaders had no drinks for days. They became weak. Then Salahuddin set fire to the dry grass. Smoke filled the air. Muslims attacked, shouting, "Allahu Akbar," and won. They captured the Crusader king, but Salahuddin gave him cold water and set him free. "This is how Muslims treat prisoners," he said. When Salahuddin entered Jerusalem, he didn't dance or wear gold. He climbed down from his horse, cried and prayed. He ordered, no Muslim should harm Christians or destroy churches. He even let poor Christians stay for free. Workers cleaned Al-Aqsa with rosewater. For the first time in 88 years, the Adhan, or call to prayer, echoed in Jerusalem. How did Salahuddin win? 1. Trust in Allah. He prayed tahajjud, the night prayer, before every battle. 2. Spies. He sent secret agents to learn the Crusaders' plans. 3. Kindness. His soldiers shared food with villagers, so people loved him. 4. Speed. His army moved like the wind. Crusaders couldn't catch them. Europe sent King Richard the Lionheart to fight Salahuddin. They battled for years. Once Richard's horse was killed, Salahuddin sent him 2 fresh horses. Another time Richard was sick. Salahuddin sent his own doctor. Richard said Salahuddin is the greatest king, but he fights for faith, not gold. Finally, they signed a peace treaty. Muslims kept Jerusalem but let Christians visit safely. After freeing Jerusalem, Salahuddin became famous, but he lived like a poor man. When he died in 1193 CE, they opened his treasure box. There was only 1 gold coin and 47 silver coins. He gave all his wealth to the poor. Thousands cried at his funeral. Even today, visitors to his tomb in Damascus whisper, "Thank you, Sultan of Mercy." What can we learn from Salahuddin? Unity. Muslims must stay together. Mercy. Even enemies deserve kindness. Faith. Trust Allah's plan and He will help you. Salahuddin wasn't just a warrior, he was a hero of Islam's heart. Today, when we see Al-Aqsa, we remember Salahuddin's promise. His story isn't just history, it's a message for all of us. Be brave, be kind, and never forget, Allah is with those who do right. O Allah, make us strong in faith and kind in heart like Salahuddin. Ameen.